the stickers with my
You don't, you can count all the stickers, but is there a multiplication equation we can use to solve for that?
I was putting them in 12.
Okay, so we're trying to figure out how many stickers there are. Explain or show how you would find out without counting every sticker. You'll notice that you only give you guys one marker, right? And one whiteboard, because you are working together and sharing your ideas. Okay, share it with Aiden. Okay, you two, what are we thinking?
Can we go off the board?
Okay, so that would take too long to count all the stickers. We can use my board since they're using it. Are you counting, hold on one second, Aiden. Are you counting down or are you counting across? You're both counting down. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, should we write that number down on our board? Yes.
Those two lines are 12 because 6 plus 6 is 12. So those two lines right there are 12.
Okay, let's double check. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so now, I like how you knew that you were multiplying. Okay, so now what could we do to solve? Could we do what we just did before with the mental math? That's one way. Could we also break that number apart if we needed to? Okay, you two work on that, okay? And I'm gonna go check on them. All right, what did you guys come up with?
So I figured I counted all the stickers. I figured out it was 78.
Can I have those, please? Okay, let's do that in multiplication. How would we figure that out using multiplication?
By counting by 6.
Counting by sixes, okay. Did you share that with Aiden? Because you are right. All right, so Cameron kind of helped you guys out. What did he say we're gonna multiply by?
Counting by 6.
By 6.
I know.
Now, what are we multiplying by 6?
Plus 12.
6 times 13.
Why? How did you get 13, Dean?
Because I counted the cross on the top row.
Okay, did you tell Patrick that?
No.
Okay, so Dean's right. We're doing 16 by 13. Remember when we worked on area and we did length times width? Is that what we're doing here? Our length or our width times our length? We kind of did it backwards.
Like,
Okay.
there's a different way we could do it.
How else could we do it?
We could do this.
Ooh. Dean, can you turn your body so that Patrick feels like he's being listened to?
So, like, there's another way. So that instead of doing that, we could do this. Could it be
You could
more
set up-
easier?
Because since it's multiplication, we can do either one, right? It doesn't
Yeah.
matter which goes on top or bottom. Okay, I want you guys to solve this problem working together. Okay, good job.
So okay, I'm gonna have to go. So 6, 3 times 6 is 369. I know.
Give me 1 second, Kim.
Do you want my help?
All right, what did you guys come up with?
What?
Okay. Okay, so Cam, you said 6, and then we're gonna multiply that by what? And what do you think we would multiply that by? 6 by 6? Does that get us our answer? Okay, so if we did 6 by 6, what would we get?
Wait.
What's 6 times 6?
6 by 13.
Ooh, why'd you change it?
Cause I did downwards and then I did sideways.
Okay. Aiden, what do you think? Do you agree or disagree with Cam that we'd be doing 6 by 13?
I agree.
Okay, why?
Because you look at the rows and columns.
Very good. Rows and columns.
The columns go like this.
Mm-hmm. And how many
And then the rows, there are about 13.
Okay. Good. Come over here, bud. Okay, so we could do 6 times 13, or could we do 13 times 6? Does it matter in multiplication what number comes first and last when we have just 2 digits?
No.
No, it's right. We can flip them. That's okay with multiplication. Okay, I want you two to solve 13 times 6, okay? And show me how you're going to solve that. But we have to agree, okay?
Solved it.
All right, you guys solved it?
Yep.
Patrick, come over here, please. All right, let's see if you guys got it.
He want my help, and he said no, thank you. Like he doesn't want my help.
Okay, so what could we have said? Because are we a team?
Yeah.
So we have to work together, right? So we can even ask, like, Patrick, do you agree with our answer, right? Because this is your guys' answer. All right, how you guys doing?
So we have 6 times 6 equals 18, and then we're adding the 18.
Good. So now we have to do 6 and 1, which is going to get us what? Good. Plus 1 more is going to get you.
7.
There we go. All right. I'm seeing a lot of good answers and a lot of different ways we solved it. Watch me, okay? Because you guys aren't quite there. Your answer's a little off, okay?
Mine?
All right. Yes, your guys' answer's a little off, so watch me. All right. I heard some good conversations about rows and columns. Analia, what do you want to share?
6 times 13 equals 78.
Okay, Analia is telling us that they did 6 times 13 and they got 78. Could we have done 13 times 6? Would that have been the same?
Yeah.
Yes, we could have. Aiden, I heard you say something interesting. Why did we do 13?
Because if you look at these rows, there's about 13.
Okay. And why did we get 6?
Because the reason why we got 6 is because there's 6 columns.
Okay, so remember our columns go up and down. So we have 13 columns, right? And our rows go across, Eden. But either way, did we get 6 and 13?
Check real quick.
Okay. All right, so we got 13 times 6 and we got 78. My friends, could we have just went through and counted by 6 each time? Yes, we could have. And we would have multiplied by 13. One thing that I saw Aiden and Analia do that I thought was kind of cool is they were struggling a little bit with just multiplying 6 and 13. So what I saw them do is they broke it apart and they did 10 times 6 and then they did 3 times 6. Okay? And they knew their 10s. They're pro 10 counters, right? And what's 10 times 6?
60.
60. Very good. And then I saw them get stuck on 3 times 6. So Analia, what did you guys do to figure out 3 times 6? What did you do?
So like we kind of counted it a lot.
You counted it by making equal groups, right? So what I saw on their paper is they had some circles like this, and then they had 6 in each circle, just like that. And then they were able to tell me that 3 times 6 equals what? 18. Beautiful. Were you guys done, or what did you do with 16, 18?
So we had 3 times 6, and then we borrowed the 1 over, and then we add 6 times 1.
Okay, that's when you did it the second time. When you did it this way, did you add those two numbers together to combine? They did. So Patrick, after they got 10 times 6 and 3 times 6 by decomposing that number, they then added those two numbers together and they got 78.
Yes.
Was there multiple ways we could have all gotten to the same answer?
Yes.
Did we all get the same answer though?
No. I mean, yes.
Yes, because did the amount of stickers change? Guys, did the amount of stickers change?
No.
No, it's the same amount of stickers, but how we got there might have been a little different, right? And that's okay. All right, good job, friends. Let's keep going. All right, we are gonna skip our discuss today, but we are gonna look at, Elena has another sheet of stickers that has 9 rows and 21 stickers in each row. How many stickers does Elena have? Explain or show your reasoning. We are not going to make an estimate, okay? We are just doing this part. I want you to watch me, and it's going to be my turn. Okay, Annalea's already kind of predicting what her answer is going to be, but this one's going to be my turn. Ready? Here we go. Elena has another sheet of stickers that has 9 rows. Okay, so I'm picturing her sticker sheet. Okay, how many rows do I have to think about, Patrick?
Wait, can you repeat that?
I need you to stay with me. How many rows do I need on her sticker sheet? So we have a sticker sheet just like we did before, and it has 9 rows.
And
And
there's
then
21 stickers.
good, it has 21 stickers in each row. So now I want to visualize this, okay? So I'm going to remember what Aiden told me earlier, okay? Rows go across, right? So we have 9 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 21 going across. I'm not going to draw 21 going across, but I know that I have 9 rows and 21 stickers in each row, 21 columns, right, Cam? Okay, how many stickers does Elena have? Explain your reasoning. I love how everybody's eyes are on me. I'm missing 1 set. There they are. Okay, so over here, I'm going to realize, oh, I'm kind of doing my length times width again, right, Aiden? So 21 times 9. Oh, I don't want to use the standard just yet. Patrick, put down your hand because it's my turn. Thank you. So I'm going to break this number apart. 21, I can do 20 times 9. And then I can do what? 1 times 9, right?
Yes.
I know how to count by my 2s, right?
Yeah, you do.
How many times am I counting by my 2s?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Oh, how many times, Patrick? You're on
9.
my chart. 9 times. Ready? Help me count.
2,
2,
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18.
And do I forget about my 0?
No.
No, I do not. So my 0 comes over. Then I do 1 times 9 and I get 9. Am I done?
No.
No. What do I do next? What do I do, Pam?
You,
What do I do?
subtract by,
Is my number going to get smaller or my number going to get bigger?
your number's gonna be bigger.
Okay, so am I subtracting or adding?
Adding.
Adding. Very good. 180 plus what, Cam? Good. There you are.
Equals
Equals what?
221.
Ooh, let's double check. 180 plus 9. What is it, Cam?
200,
Where do you get 200, buddy? Let's do it down here.
oh, let me, 189.
189. There you are, bud. Okay, 189. Thumbs up if you agree. Thumbs up if you agree. Dean, I'm waiting on you. Do you agree or disagree? Perfect. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I gotta exit out over there. All right, we got a couple more minutes and then we have to wrap up, my friends. What I want you to do is we are going to look at Noah's sticker sheet now. Noah's sticker sheet has 3 rows of 48 stickers in each row. Andre's sticker sheet has 7 rows with 23 stickers in each row. We need to figure out who has more stickers. What we are going to worry about first is with your partner. Patrick, put your hand down because they haven't given you instructions yet. With your partner, I want you to worry about Noah's sticker sheet that has 3 rows and 48 stickers in each row. I want everybody with your partner to figure out how many stickers Noah has. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Okay, what are you guys starting with? Oh, perfect. Now help her solve, okay? Because you can help my year 3, so help her solve. Can we not work together?
Yes.
Can we not work together?
We can.
Do you guys want to solve on separate board and then talk about your answers?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. How are you guys doing? Not what we're doing.
So,
Okay.
48 times 3.
I like how you guys are both working, but you're working separate. So do you guys want to do what Dean and Patrick are doing and solve separate, then talk about it? Okay, you can do that.
So, yeah. What did I do?
Good. I like how you guys are using that strategy again.
Am I doing it right, Miss Meyer?
You're doing it, but I want you to talk with Dean right now. Okay, so let's talk about it together. Talk with Dean about it.
So Dean, I am multiplying 48 times 3. And
Okay? So you did 7, okay? And, okay,
next time.
can you tell Cam how you broke yours down?
23
Tell Cam how you broke yours down? Because you're on the right path. So let's see, you guys are just doing it differently.
This ain't right, this ain't right. 3, 6, 9, 12, 11,
Okay, can I ask you guys a question? So I love 3 times 8, and you guys got 24. You guys are just using the standard algorithm. What is 3 times 4 though? Because remember, if I broke this number apart, right, if we had 48, we'd have 40 plus what? 40 plus,
14.
oh, what number is that? What number's in the ones place? 8, good.
Okay, guess
So
what
we have
answer
to
I got?
multiply
Guess what answer I got?
times 3, right? And times 3.
Did you agree?
You guys did this one. 8 times 3, and you got 24.
Fine, won't talk to me. I won't
But
talk
what
to
you guys gotta do is 40 times 3. What'd you get? Can you guys work on that one? Try to figure that out.
What times 3?
I gotta get all by myself.
Okay, so let's look at Dean. Do you guys have matching answers?
I do have the same word, but I'll show you what I got.
Okay, where did you get this one from? Did you move on?
Yes, I moved on to 7 times 23.
Okay. Perfect. But you guys got the same answer, correct?
Yes.
Good.
Miss Hannah, do you want to work with me?
Actually, not right now. She's
Sorry.
working with somebody else. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of good answers, but we do have to start wrapping up, so I need eyes on me in 3, 2, 1. Okay, you guys are doing much better at explaining your ideas. Dean, you can put down. You guys are doing much better explaining your ideas than me, rather than your partners, so we need to keep it being able to explain with our partners. Aiden, can you be my partner so we can work through this together? Patrick, I need your eyes on me.
Okay.
All right, Noah's sticker sheet has 3 rows and 48 stickers in each row. Aiden, where do you think we should start?
Well, first we have to write the problem.
Okay, let's write the problem. What do you think we should write, Aiden?
Which is 48 times 3.
48 times 3. Aiden, as your partner, I agree with you because I can visualize that I would have 48 stickers and 3 rows of those 48. I agree with you.
Yeah, but we would have to basically split this into 2 separate questions.
So are we gonna decompose this, Aiden?
Basically decomposing it.
Okay, would you guys agree, if you were Aiden's partner, would you agree that we need to decompose 48?
Yes.
Give me a thumbs up if you agree with what Aiden said.
Yes.
Perfect. Do you guys see how Aiden's saying something and I'm asking questions to further my understanding?
Yes.
Okay, remember that's what we need to do. Okay, can I disagree with Aiden?
No. Let me
I
guess.
can absolutely disagree with Aiden. Am I gonna say, oh no, Aiden, that's totally wrong?
You can say that, but if
Is
you're
that
wrong,
a nice way to do it?
no, you can say Aiden, that's incorrect.
Or I disagree, right? But I agree with Aiden on this. I like the idea of decomposing. Aiden, how are we gonna decompose 48?
I mean that you put 8 and
Two separate numbers, so what are you thinking? 40.
40
times 3
40 times 3, okay.
8 times
Good. I continue to agree with you, Aiden. I think 40 times 3 and 8 times 3 is a good number. Aiden, can I show you how I would solve for 40 times 3? I'm gonna take my 0 away for a minute, and I'm gonna do 4 times 3. I know my 3 facts, so I know that that's 12. And then I'm gonna put 0 at the end because I can't leave my 0 away, right? It can't go away forever. And then do you know 8 times 3?
8 times 3 is 24.
Good. So now we have two numbers, Aiden. Do you remember what we do with 120 and 24?
Which means that you make another math problem.
I like, is it okay if we draw our equal sign like this? Because I like it that way when we go up and down. Is that okay? They both mean equal, right? Are you okay with this one?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And what did we get? 0 plus 4 gives us?
Which your 4 would give us 4.
Good. And 2 plus 2 would give us?
Which this would also give us 4.
And then 1 would give us?
Just 1.
1. Beautiful. All right. We are not going to do the second part. Some of you I know got done with the first part and moved on to the second part, which was great. We are not because our group is almost over. But before you leave, I do need you to give me your ticket to get out the door today, okay? So go ahead and erase your boards. I will take your boards as soon as I give you your sheet.
Can we get prize box?
Sit down. All right. I will read the problem out loud, and your ticket to get out the door needs to be solved. Make sure you put your name on it, please. Got it?
Is it multiple choice?
Oh, let's see. Let's read it. Dinah has 85 treats and goodie bags for her party. Sorry. She has 85 treats in rows of 3. She puts, sorry guys, I can't read today. She has 85 goodie bags. She puts 3 treats in each goodie bag. How many does she have total?